Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Azucena Didal Abayon, 40 years old. I was born on September 26, 1983. I came from Mandurriao, Iloilo City, Philippines. I'm single parents of 2 children, 21 years old and 16 years old. My high educational attainment, high school graduate. I have experience as a helper in Kuwait, almost 2 years, and I have an experience to take care of children 7 years old and 1 years old baby, and how to know cleaning the house, washing the clothes, iron the clothes, and cooking. To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I'm physical fit and normal capable to household chores and to take good care to your children and the treat as my own because I'm honest person, flexible and loyal, and hardworking woman. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.